positive and
Or
negative aspect.
disadvantages or advantages for social medias nowadays.
Nowadays, social media like
Yeah.
Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and many else. So the positive thing, what I can conclusion is there are a lot aspect Mr. Azito. So that is
Allah.
from my opinion, especially in learning language
Allah.
process. I make a friend with lot of what we say orang asing,
Foreigner.
foreigner, like Japanese, Chinese, Spanish.
Allah.
I can learn nowadays learning directly with them,
Allah.
like Skype, with laptop,
Yeah.
Facebook Messenger, and many else. Even though we have a long distance, but
Yeah.
we can connect each other.
Allah.
That is very a
Easy.
good contribution for we are now, especially like Polyglot member and Umum Bahasa member.